You can use Offshore Navigation VBA to plan a Great Circle route as well as a waypoint route. Clicking on the Great Circle route tool button brings up the Great Circle route planning form. If there were any existing Great Circle routes, they would show up in the drop-down list. But we're creating a new one. So we're going to be departing from Durban, South Africa at 30 degrees south, 32 degrees east, and we're going to Dunedin, I think that's how you pronounce it, New Zealand, which is 48 degrees south and 165 degrees east. Now you notice the program has calculated the rumline distance between the two ports of almost 6,300 miles. It has also done some other calculations for the Great Circle route, which is the vertex point on the Great Circle, which really isn't that important when you're actually using it. It's part of the calculation. And so I am ready to generate the route. Just generate it, and it's a route with 16 waypoints has been created. Now the default is to use route segments of 6 degrees of arc, which is 360 nautical miles. You can change this value to anything you want. If you wanted it to have longer segments or shorter segments. But usually that's 360 miles. That's for most average yachts. That's every 2 days changing course slightly if you're actually able to follow the Great Circle route. So the route's been closed, been created. I can close this form. Once more, minimize the offshore navigation form, and you can see that the route has been plotted in the ship log workbook. Now this is not a real map projection, it's just an XY plot. The purpose of it is to validate the course that's just been generated. If it looks off, it doesn't look like it's a nice smooth arc, then something's wrong. Either some values were entered incorrectly or you've discovered a program bug. But anyway, that's what the route would look like. Bringing the program form back, we have now created a Great Circle route with Offshore Navigation VBA. And again, if we went to the log, I got the previously generated waypoint route active. We deactivate that. Now we see we have the Durban to Dunedin route there. I can activate that route, and now that we have new departure and destination ports. And that covers creating a Great Circle route using Offshore Navigation VBA.